it's such a small town. I really wanna grow you, I really wanna show you, I really wanna show you all how to play this song, but it's harder than it looks. Some tricky chords, they'll give you some easier options, perfect for beginners. Now let's go to the key change, the difficult key change, too high for my voice. We're in the new key. Imagine a song so universally loved that it transcends generations, yet its creator was famously sued for plagiarism. If you haven't guessed the song by now, it is of course My Sweet Lord by George Harrison. It not only topped the charts back in the day, but it sparked one of the most controversial legal battles in music history, drawing the thin line between inspiration and imitation. Hey there budding Campfire guitar heroes, my name's Dean and I'm bringing you today's lesson from my mobile studio, which happens to be my camper van. Yes, I'll be doing a lot of lessons from here from now on as I attempt to convince my boss that I can still do my day job as long as I've got Wi-Fi. But let's get into the lesson where this song starts easy, but I think it gets progressively more difficult. I'm going to break it down for you and give you a few little cheats that I've worked out. That is the intro to the song. Pretty simple. It's starting on an E minor and an A. E minor to A, and then a D to a B minor. Now the trick to this is the transition to the chords. And before we get into it, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, I'm a left-hand guitar player playing on a right-hand strum guitar, so these finger patterns will appear upside down to you. Look, don't let that worry you. I'll put the chords on the screen there. You just got to get these fingers in the right spot like I do. Same challenges. Let's get into it. So as I said, E minor to an A, and then a D to a B minor. Now, the important part of this is the strum. Alright, let's get into the strum now. And the strum, you know the song in your head, and I always just start with, I'm not a fan of strum patterns. In fact, I think you should just sort of work it out in your head. You know the song, close your eyes and just feel it. And this is the feel part of guitar, right? So if I'm singing the song, my sweet Lord, my Lord, down, down, up, down, down, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. So let's break it down. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And the key, if you're on this song, is the transition from E minor to an A or from the D to the B minor is on the up strum. Down, 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 up, down, change, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, change on that one, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So just practice that. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. And there you have it. The transition, the wraparound back to the top of the verse is a D to a D7. Then you're supposed to do a B7. I do a little cheat where I just bring my pointer finger down to the D string first fret and then wrap it onto the E minor. I'll do that slowly, so hallelujah. So D, 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 D7, B7 or B7 variant. Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. There's a fair bit going on there. That is the key change from the original key E minor in the song to the 2 steps up to the F sharp minor. How do we get there? Alright, so it starts on this D, key change, and we're going to go to a D7, to a key change, D7, to a B7, then we're going to move to an E, to an E7 just for a couple of beats. Then race up to the C sharp, and then we land that F sharp minor to a B, E sharp, F sharp minor to a B. Now you're in the new, my sweet Lord, oh my Lord. And this is a real test of bar chords because it does all of the bar chords. It's doing that A-shaped bar chord, but we're doing a B on the 2nd fret. It's doing an F-sharp minor bar chord, and it's doing, we'll show you shortly, a C-sharp minor bar chord on the 4th fret. So now we're in the key of F-sharp minor. It toggles between the F-sharp minor and the B chord, and then it goes from an E to a C sharp minor, and that's probably the trickiest change of them all because you're actually covering a fair bit of distance going from effectively the 1st fret all the way up to the 4th fret, and you've got to land that C sharp minor. Let me demo it. So F sharp minor, my sweet Lord, I really wanna E, C sharp minor, really wanna Now we're going to transition back to F sharp minor B. And how do we do that? We just repeat what we did before. E, and all I did there, all I did to make it sound easy, E, E7, C sharp, F sharp minor B. In real time, this to me is the hardest part of the whole song, is that transitioning E, E7 up to the C sharp and then back to an F sharp minor to a B. There's a lot going on there. Practice, practice. I worked on this song for about a month before I got it to the level that I'm at today. Now, hey folks, just about every one of my lessons gets a YouTube strike because I don't have the copyright to this song. All the ad revenue goes to that big monster company we all know as Google, and not a cent comes my way. So hey, if you want to support a really small channel like mine, then check out any of these options up here. Any support you guys can give me is truly, truly appreciated. Now, if you want to take your guitar playing and song repertoire to the whole next level, you just got to check out this playlist, the top 10 Campfire guitar songs of all time, according to me. And it doesn't include all those cliche songs you'll see elsewhere, but I can guarantee I've got some real crowd bangers in there and songs you will absolutely love. Thanks for watching, folks. If you got this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, send me a comment, send me the love, and I'll see you next time.